Today I want to talk about two important ideas in the history of science: the geocentric model and the heliocentric model. The word geo means Earth and helio means Sun. So the geocentric model says that Earth is the center, while the heliocentric model says that the Sun is the center. A long time ago, most people believe in the geocentric model. They know that the Earth was the center of the universe. The Sun, the Moon, the planet, and the stars all move around the Earth. This idea came from ancient Greek thinkers like Aristotle and Ptolemy. For many centralized people accept this model because it matched what they saw in the sky. Then, in the 1500s, a Polish astronomer named Nicolaus Copernicus introduced a different idea. He said that the Sun is at the center and the Earth moves around it. This was called the heliocentric model, and that time this idea was very dangerous. In some places, people who believe it or trust the heliocentric model could be arrested, punished, or even killed because it went against the belief of powerful leaders. Many scientists were afraid to share their idea, but some never gave up and continued to search for the truth. Later, Galileo Galilei used a telescope to observe the sky. He discovered four moons orbiting Jupiter. This showed that not everything moved around the Earth. It provided strong evidence for the heliocentric model and changed the way people understood the universe. Today, we know that the heliocentric model is correct because it is supported by scientific evidence. This story is also shown in the anime named Off on the Movement of the Earth. This anime talks about story of people who risk their life to search for the truth about the universe. It shows that knowledge is powerful, but finding the truth often requires courage. The message of both history and the anime is simple. Don't believe something just because everyone else believes it. Ask questions, look for evidence, and never learning. And the last one. Thank you for listening.